That feeling of heaviness and tightness in the stomach is way too common these days. And everybody knows it's called bloating. और इस फीलिंग की वजह से एक नया इंडस्ट्री भी जन्म ले रहा है विच इज़ कॉल्ड द गट हेल्थ इंडस्ट्री. बट इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू 5 ways that you can get rid of bloating almost immediately, and point number 4 is going to be a recipe that I have been using for my clients. और पिछले 10-12 साल में जब भी किसी client ने ये recipe use किया है to get rid of bloating, they got the result instantly. So without wasting any time, let's get to the point number 1, and that is hydrate yourself. Yes, I know, जब आप bloated feel करते हो तो already पेट इतना भारी भारी feel हो रहा होता है कि पानी पीने के बारे में सोचा भी नहीं जा सकता. However, it is counterproductive because when you're bloated, your body is holding on to water because there is too much solute in your body, which can come from salt, sugars, and when you have water, you dilute all of these and then you pee more. Hence, all of these extra solutes go out of your body and you get rid of bloating. And if you want to prevent bloating in the first place, then 35 ml per kg of the body weight water consumption is ideal for every single day. Using this formula will actually give you a lot of relief because बहुत सारे लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं कि आपको 3 लीटर पानी 4 लीटर पानी पीना चाहिए. However, if your weight is let's say 50 kgs and you should be consuming 35 ml per kg of your body weight, that means your daily requirement for water is 1750 ml, which is 0.2 liter. Also, if you consume a lot of fluids which are not tea and coffee, let's say you consume soups or vegetable juices, then all of these drinks also add up to your fluid intake anyway. ब्लोटिंग के टाइम पर बॉडी वाटर होल्ड कर रही होती है, ये तो समझ में आ गया, बट वो वाटर होल्ड इसीलिए होता है बिकॉज देयर आर टू मेनी सॉल्यूट्स एंड मेजर ऑफ दोज सॉल्यूट्स इज सोडियम. सोडियम का मेजर सोर्स तो हमारा टेबल सॉल्ट होता है, घर का नमक. हाउएवर, हम अपने घर के खाने में कभी भी इतना सॉल्ट नहीं डाल पाएंगे जिससे हमें ब्लोटिंग हो जाए. So, where is the sodium coming from? It's coming from our processed foods, the chips, namkeens, diet namkeens, ketchups, roasted and salted nuts. I'm not saying that you should never be consuming these things. However, if you regularly have bloating, then getting off these things for a few days and then reintroducing them back with a smaller quantity will actually help. And on top of that, these things should never be a staple or an everyday occurrence in your meals. हमारा daily safe limit of sodium is 2500 mg to 3000 mg, which is 1 teaspoon for the entire day. इतने में आपके हिस्से की रोज की सब्जी तो कवर हो जाएगी. बट आप जब भी प्रोसेस फूड्स खा रहे हो जिसमें भले ही सोडियम एज सच सॉल्ट के फॉर्म में डाला हो या फिर सोडियम बेंजोएट विच इज अ प्रिजर्वेटिव उस फॉर्म में डाला हो, तब भी इट इज गोइंग टू ऐड टू दैट सोडियम कोटा ऑफ द डे एंड देन इट विल मेक यू ब्लोटेड. Lentils are a great way to add fiber as well as protein in your diet. However, बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ में ऐसा होता है कि वो lentils को consume करते ही bloated feel करते हैं. Specifically the heavier lentils like चना and राजमा. इनको आपकी डाइट से completely निकालना तो possible नहीं है because these are really rich in nutrients. Plus, they add insoluble fiber in your diet which makes the bulk of your stool and also cleanses your gut. So, इनको खाने का बेटर तरीका हो सकता है, एक बेटर कुकिंग टेक्निक हो सकती है. What you're supposed to do is that whenever you are having any kind of lentil, whether it is a light dal like moong dal, masoor dal, or you're having any heavier lentil like chana or rajma, always make sure that you're soaking them for some time. For rajma and chana, it can be overnight. For lighter dals, it can be 2 or 3 hours. And always make sure that you throw this water away जिसके अंदर आपने ये दाल को सोक किया है, because oligosaccharides which are a type of carbohydrates जो इन दालों में होते हैं which can cause gas, वो थोड़ा सा इस पानी में डिजोल्व हो जाएगा and you will be getting rid of some of it and hence your dal will be easier on digestion. Now, as I promised, I will be sharing with you a simple recipe that will get rid of bloating like that. All you need for this recipe is a blender jar and 4 spices that I'm pretty sure you have right now in your home. The first spice is jeera or cumin, धनिया or coriander, ajwain or carom, sauf or fennel. I just take equal quantities of these and powder them together. No soaking, no roasting, nothing. अभी ये जार थोड़ा छोटा पड़ गया था तो इसलिए थोड़ी सी सौंफ बची हुई है, जो अभी ये पाउडर हो जाएगा थोड़ा और कॉम्पैक्ट हो जाएगा तो फिर मैं डाल दूंगी. This literally takes 5 minutes to make, and for the ease of use what I do is I take just 50 grams packet of each. Equal quantities मुझे measure करने की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ती, and then just transfer it in an airtight container and it lasts for 2 months. And consuming it is also ridiculously simple. All you need to do is to take 1 teaspoon of it any time of the day, SOS, or you can take it early in the morning or before going to bed. No roasting required, no soaking required, no boiling required. Just take 1 teaspoon of it, have it with water, swallow it with water, and water can also be room temperature. Any gender can take it, any age group can take it. Just take care of one thing. This is a quick fix. This is not a magic trick. It is not going to fix the issues with your gut. So while you take other measures that I've mentioned in this video to heal your gut from the root cause, you can use this as a quick fix or as a SOS. However, for a lot of my clients, उनको ये रेसिपी मैंने 10 साल पहले दी थी and they're consuming it till date. ना डकार आने वाला है. नहीं. I will sound like a broken record, but sleep actually is the most underrated health of hack. जब हम ठीक से सो नहीं पाते हैं तब कॉर्टिसोल, जिसको नेचुरली रात में नीचे आना चाहिए, उसका लेवल हाई ही रह जाता है and as a result you feel stressed and internally your body enters into a flight and fight mode, and at that time since your body is trying to save and protect you, तब आपकी किडनीज को ये ऑर्डर मिलता है कि जितने भी सॉल्यूट्स हैं उनको होल्ड किया जाए बिकॉज यू नेवर नो किस चीज की जरूरत पड़ सकती है. बिकॉज आवर बॉडी डज नॉट वांट टू वेस्ट एनर्जी इनटू एनी प्रोसेस दैट इज नॉट अर्जेंट राइट नाउ. अगर आपको रेगुलरली सोने में प्रॉब्लम होती है तो उसके लिए मैंने एक वीडियो बनाया हुआ है जिसको मैं यहाँ पर लिंक कर दूंगी. यू कैन वॉच दैट सो दैट आपका ब्लोटिंग अगर स्लीप डेप्रिवेशन से कनेक्टेड है तो आप उसको रिजॉल्व कर पाओ. एंड नाउ अबाउट द फन पार्ट. इन द लास्ट वीडियो आई हैड ड्रॉप्ड एन इंटेंशनल मिस्टेक इन माई वीडियो एंड all of the people who found out that mistake will now get a 15-minute one-on-one Q&A with me, and all of the winners of the last week's video are here. And if you also have any questions that you would want to ask me personally, then find out the mistake in this video and let me know in the comments. If you have any specific topic that I should cover in my videos, then let me know that also in the comment box. And if you want to just chat, have a conversation, just come on my Instagram and I am literally there every single day. I'll see you in the next video and I hope you do not waste any money in the gut supplements. Bye.